Welcome back, guys. Automotive Inc. here. Today we're going to just show you a cheap and inexpensive thing that not only is functional, but it's actually good looking for your Ram. Now this will work on any 2021 and up, all the way to 2026. It's hard to find stuff for the 26 Ram, of course, but they didn't change a whole lot. Now, if you have this center console, guys, you're going to notice you got a lot of landscape in here, right? And they got this nice feeling grippy material, but guess what it doesn't do? As soon as you put crap in here, especially these little trays, these little ledges, and you shut it and you get your big one, well, guess what? It sounds like a rainfall of crap. It all just piles to the back, and then as you move around, it's going to slide around in there. So although I appreciate the real estate, there is a little bit of a flaw in it. So I picked up one of these. Now I'll link it down below. It's on the Zon, and I bought these from my dad's 11 GMC. So they are out there for every manufacturer that has a dual flip-up console lid. Chevy doesn't have a dual top. Ford currently doesn't have one in their Super Duties, but a lot of the older ones, they do have some two-stage, and some they just have a big hole, so you can buy one of these to drop it in and give yourself some more storage. So right here, this is a little velvet line feeling plastic tray, and what it does is it literally just drops in here. You don't take out the rubber, you don't do anything, and now you have higher ledges on everything. So when you put that shut and open it, see, nothing rattles. Now, I haven't tried flinging it hard enough to see if I could flip stuff out of the top, but that wasn't the concern anyway. The concern was it would just dump, even no matter how gently you opened it. But I could take it all the way up here, and now I can come all the way down, and it's all still right there. Now, I have tried this with change in here, so if you guys keep people, you keep change in here, people, it will keep them as long as you don't fling it all the way up hard. It'll keep it. You can go all the way back to this max little area, and this is less than 24 bucks. Again, this will work on anything with the console, and I think the company might actually make one for the 40/20/40 with the flip-up seat console, but don't take my word on that because I don't remember. I've never had one to buy that for. So guys, I hope that little hack will help. And if you do happen to have the console rattle already, I have a video on how to take care of that. As always, guys, appreciate you guys being here. I'm gonna catch you on the next one.